Welcome to Charles H. Castle, a STEAM Academy, our first STEAM family night of this academic year.
We wanted to take a few minutes to tell you about our STEAM Academy program. First, we'll start out with our core instruction.
We have a mathematics focus this year where we are teaching our students how to use manipulatives, draw pictures, and to use symbols to represent math problems. We're hoping this foundation will strengthen their skills in number sense and algebraic properties.
We also have a new ELA curriculum called Benchmark Advanced. The curriculum has a major focus on close reading, annotated text, writing to sources, and a heavy emphasis on small group instruction.
We've also put a heavy emphasis on data analysis. We have a new data analysis system called Illuminate, where teachers can create assessments and then analyze the data to refocus their teaching for student achievement.
And then our teachers are using elements of science, technology, engineering, art, and math into their core instruction. They work with specialists to co-plan, co-teach lessons where they integrate STEAM into the core.
A big part of our STEAM program are our Inspire Labs. We have 7 labs that students rotate throughout the week. We have the Discover Science Lab.
We have the Chevron Innovation Engineering Lab,
the Create Visual Arts Lab,
the Explore Technology Lab,
Express Performing Arts Lab,
the Perform Instrumental Arts Lab,
and the Persist Physical Education Labs.
Our students rotate through these labs weekly. Each grade level has 1 lab day per week, and they rotate through the labs for 2.5 hours.
By the end of the year, students will have rotated through all the labs. They visit 3 labs at 12-week rotations.
Kindergarten rotates through all 7 labs every week.
You'll notice in our lab we have 21st century flexible seating, which allows the teachers to do various projects depending on the grade level that they are working with.
And you'll notice that our students are using 21st century technology. We have interactive TVs in the lab, and we have VEX robotics, we have 3D printers, and much more. And we have a heavy emphasis on project-based learning.
We also have a mathematics connection. You'll notice in the lab that there are standards posted TK through 6th grade. The math connection is what connects our STEAM portion to the core curriculum.
We also have a career focus in the lab. Students learn careers that connect with the particular lab they're in that week. For example, when they're in art, they might learn about graphic design and careers associated with that.
You'll also notice focus boards where you might see weekly questions, vocabulary, the skills that the various grade levels are working on throughout the 12-week rotation.
And then our 7 specialist teachers participate in ongoing professional development to learn about cutting-edge techniques in STEAM instruction. All right, and now for social emotional support. That's also a major portion of our program. We're trying to transform the culture on our campus, providing social emotional support for all of our students.
We are the only school in the district that has a full-time counselor dedicated to the social emotional needs of our students. And then we also have a behavior intervention assistant that works with students on positive behavior interactions.
We're using something called Second Step Social and Emotional Curriculum to do small groups with our students that need additional support.
To help foster community in the classroom, we hold class meetings or trust circles in the morning so teachers and students can continue building better relationships.
And as a campus, we're implementing proactive ways to address behaviors and recognize positive interactions. We have our Knights Code coupons and we have our monthly award assemblies.
And as we're making these changes, we also want to build good relationships with our Castle families. And that starts with tonight, our first STEAM family night. All right, in addition to the regular school day, we have something called Extended Day, where students can stay after school for 45 minutes longer to focus on an elective that they really like.
Extended Day is run by our 7 STEAM specialists and also by additional regular day teachers.
The STEAM electives are driven by student choice. It ranges from dance, creative writing, Lego Masters, Design It, engineering, Code Camp, Castle Choir, Kids Rock, and many, many more.
Our music electives supplement regular day instructional labs. So students who are in band during their lab time also have their music elective in the afternoon during extended day.
Also, in extended day, we provide an additional meal, supper, and that is provided at no cost.
So extended day is first come, first serve. We have parents sign up every quarter. Our next sign-ups will be in January. All right, and now for extended year. Another important piece of our program is our extended year. We do 2 weeks in June and then 2 weeks in July, August. Students go through and learn the engineering design process and learn how to build hands-on.
We do engaging thematic learning. In August 2017, our focus was space and planets, and our coaches and specialists will start designing the new thematic unit for this June in spring.
Our teachers co-teach with the specialists. Specialists push into the classroom and help the teachers design interactive inquiry-based activities.
At our first extended year, we served approximately 400 Castle students in all grades ranging TK through 6th grade.
Our extended year program also involves community connection. In our July-August program, we had a guest speaker from NASA, a former astronaut, come and talk to the kids about space.
So if you want to sign your student up for extended year 2018, we will be running it the first 2 weeks of June and then in the very beginning of August. Keep your eyes open for that information to come.
And now we'd just like to show you some pictures of your students in the labs. Thank you for being part of Castle STEAM Academy. Enjoy our family STEAM night.